Yarin the Forest Stalker here. Quick disclaimer for this video. I didn't originally want to open this package, but my friend asked me what is inside the biggest one that I've covered in the Bandages Part 1 video. These bandages were made and used in the 80s, over 3 decades ago now. However, they were made very well and are still sterile. These military bandages are about 2 meters long. I unpacked mine, so I can't use it as a bandage anymore since I would risk infection. These bandages were made mainly to address gunshot wounds or for heavier bleeding. Thank you for your attention.